Good day, viewers. You are welcome. So here we have an interesting system of equations, which is a plus b equals 8 and ab equals 64. So to solve this, we have two systems of equation. We name this as equation 1 and we name this as equation 2. Then to solve this, so since we have the first one as the sum and the second one as the product, so what we do here is we consider from the easiest one, which is the sum, as we have a plus b equals 8. So we have to form new equation from here, and it depends on the answer, the value we want to get first, either a or b. And suppose we want to get the value of a from these two systems, so we make b the subject of the formula, as we have b equals 8 minus a. We consider this as equation 3. Then, so since we have used equation 1 to form equation 3, so we substitute this equation 3 into equation 2. So as we have anywhere we see b, we replace it with 8 minus a. So here we have a into bracket of 8 minus a equals 64. So then we open the parentheses, as we have 8a minus a squared equals 64. So then let's try to do the rearrangement, because here is a quadratic equations. So by rearranging this, we have minus a squared plus 8a equals 64. So next we have, here is negative, and we don't want to start this equation with negative. So what we do here is we multiply through by negative here, as we have this as when minus multiply this, it becomes plus a squared, and when minus multiply this becomes minus 8a equals, so minus we multiply this becomes minus 64. So then we have formed a quadratic equation. So the proper way of writing this is by transferring this one to this side, and we get it. But the method I want to apply here is called completing the square method. So, and to apply that method, so what we do here is we divide this one by 2. So we get 4, then we raise that 4 by 2, then add it to both sides. So we get that as a squared minus 8a plus 4 squared equals minus 64 plus 4 squared. So then we have to rewrite this thing as we combine a and 4 together with negative as a minus 4, then all of this raised to the power of 2. So when we expand this, we get the whole of this equals minus 64 plus, so 4 squared is 16. So next we have a minus 4 all to the power of 2 equals, so by subtracting these two, minus 64 plus 16, so we get minus 48. Then when we break down minus 48, so here we have a minus 4 raised to the power of 2 equals, we can write this thing as minus 16 multiplied by 3. So we get 48. Then we have to take the square root of both sides. So just to get rid of this power of 2, since we need a and a is inside this, so we have to get rid of this. So by introducing square root, we have a minus 4 to the power of 2 equals, so when we introduce it at this side, we have plus or minus the square root of minus 16 multiplied by 3. So next we have, let's say we cancel this. So here we are left with a minus 4 equals plus or minus. So we have to separate this according to this rule. If you have root a multiplied by b, so we consider this as root a multiplied by root b. So here we have the root of minus 16 multiplied by root 3. So this dot and multiplication, they are still the same thing. So we transfer 4 to other side as we have a equals 4 plus or minus. So the square root of minus 16 is given as 4i. Then multiply by root 3. So here is the result for the value of a, as it is a complex solution. And also to get the other root, which is the value of b, we recall from equation 3, which is b equals 8 minus a. Then we substitute the value of this one here, and it comes with this plus or minus. So we have b equals 8 minus, open bracket, 4 plus or minus 4i root 3. Then we have b equals 8. So when we expand this, we have minus 4. So minus times plus, we get minus, and minus times minus, we get plus. 4i root 3. So we have b equals, when we subtract these two, we get 4 minus 4 minus plus 4i root 3. And here is the result for the value of b. As we have a equals to this, we have b equals to this. So we get this result as well, and we have to check, we have to proper check if this result truly equal. And what this one is telling us is, let's say a equals 4 plus 4i root 3. So we're going to have b, which is 4 minus 4i root 3. And this is vice versa. That is, when a is 4 minus 4i root 3, we get b, which is 4 plus 4i root 3. When we try to verify this from equation 1, here we have a plus b equals 8. By introducing this, we get 4 plus 4i root 3 plus 4 minus 4i root 3. So we have this is positive and this is negative, this is positive. So both of these cancelled, and we have 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, this is given as 8. It shows that this is equal. And we can also test it for the negative part of this, so we get the same result. So this is how to solve this problem. I hope we learned something today. So thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning.